simply put y is equal to, let's say, put y is equal to sine of A, and x is equal to sine of B. Now, this given equation would look like sine of A under root 1 minus sine square B. 1 minus sine square B plus x, in place of x, we're writing sine B, and under root 1 minus y is sine A, so square of y, sine square A equal to 1. This can be written as sine A as it is. 1 minus sine square A is cos square A, and square root of, okay, square root of cos square A would be cos A. So we can write directly, this thing is cos B, that is cos B. 1 minus sine square B is cos B, and plus sine B as it is, and this is cos of A is equal to 1. Now see, we can change this into, this is a formula, sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. That is sine of A plus B. Sine of A plus B is equal to 1. Once you get sine of A plus B equal to 1, this we can write using our knowledge of inverse trigonometric function. A plus B is equal to sine inverse 1. And sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. That means we can say, that's right here, we can say A plus B is equal to pi by 2. Now A is what? If y is equal to sine A, this means A is equal to sine inverse y. And if x is equal to sine B, this means B is equal to sine inverse x. So we can write sine inverse x plus B is, now B is actually sine inverse x, A is sine inverse y. So here we are writing sine inverse y plus sine inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Now see, our equation is back in the form of x and y. This equation is also in form of x and y. So we will take this instead and differentiate. We can write it. It was sine inverse of y, sine inverse of y plus sine inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. This means now differentiating both sides with respect to x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. Derivative of sine inverse y would be 1 over square root of 1 minus y square. We are differentiating with respect to x, right? So we'll multiply this by dy by dx. This is chain rule. And plus sine inverse x is fine. 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. This is the formula. And derivative of pi by 2b is constant. And derivative of constant is 0. This means we can write 1 minus 1 over 1 minus y square times dy by dx is equal to negative of 1 by square root 1 minus x square. Dy by dx is equal to square root of, minus sign was there, square root of 1 minus y square divided by 1 minus x square.